Let's get set up with LT. First, you need to log in to your administration pages, and then we'll create a new course. Just click the plus button next to courses and enter the details you want for your course. Then select Create. The quickest way to get content into your course is to import some of our pre-made lessons. I can use the search bar and search for terms that I know I want to give my students. I can check out the keywords and decide if that's what I want or not. If it is, I'll just import that content. Now you'll be importing a module, which means a group of related lessons. I can see that in this module, it contains 2 lessons, a pre-lab prep and a lab. Now it's time to customize that content. I can go into my lessons list and I see both the lab and the pre-lab listed here. I know I want to customize the lab, so I'm going to click on it and then open the lesson. Now all I need to do is click this edit button to have access to all of the editing tools I need to customize the lesson. So you might decide that you want to add a learning objective, and you can just type that in, or you might choose to update some images that you like to use in your course. You can also decide to delete any pages you want or reorder the content if you have certain activities that you want students to do first. So once I've made my edits to my lesson, I will close it, and it's ready for students. So before I publish the lesson so it's available to students, I need to invite students to my course. So I'll do that by going to the Student Accounts card and then selecting Import. I've pre-prepared a CSV file with all of my student emails and information, so I can just select that, open it, all of that information gets uploaded to LT, and I can choose to invite my students to the course now or do it later. In this case, I want to do it now, so I'll select Import. And now I have my students ready for my course, and I can publish content to them. I want to publish that sensory physiology lab, but I want it to be paired with the pre-lab as well. So I'm going to publish a module which will kind of link the 2 lessons together. I click on the sensory physiology module, and I'd like my students to complete the pre-lab before gaining access to the lab. So I can select Edit Module here and check the box that says students must complete the lessons in order. You'll notice a little lock icon here to indicate that. Then I'll finish editing, and all I need to do is select Publish and either set a date in the future when my students will gain access to these lessons, or I can make them available now, which is what I'll do. Now you can see that there are icons that tell you that the lesson is available to all students. You also get a note at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And I can also double check my work by selecting this Student View button. This always takes you to the student's homepage so you can see exactly what your students can see. And now you know how to create a new course, import content, customize content, invite students, and publish content to those students as well.